Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2019 Chevy Suburban LT four-wheel drive. Stock number X1062XX. 15,000 miles on the Suburban, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, shadow gray metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. The Suburban seats 8, leather interior, dual DVD players overhead with wireless headphones and remote, rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable, middle row seat folds flat for additional cargo space, as well as tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear, split third row seat folds flat, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, and integrated trailer brake control, power moonroof, read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, advanced safety features like forward collision alert, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, navigation, and that is of course with the backup camera displays, 3-zone automatic temperature control, and heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest, spacious glove box, overhead auto-dimming mirror, home-link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and liftgate control. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 14 miles a gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Suburban, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.